Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we want to quickly make some croaker fish pepper soup, and this is time to marinate. So I add some salt, 2 seasoning cubes, this is the pepper, black pepper we'll be using for it. And we'll grate in some ginger. Now, when you add some necessary ingredients to pepper soup, it serves as a form of detoxification. So you may need to add a reasonable amount of ginger, which is a detoxifying herb. Yeah, this is okay. So add some garlic. This is diuretic, it cleanses your yeah. So you have to quickly rub everything in. If you're scared of the pepper, you can wear something on your hand. Transfer it into this plate and take it to the fridge. So I'll send it to the fridge to stay for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, it was out of the fridge and ready to cook. So you just transfer it to the pot and cover it and send it to the flame without adding any water. This is for the ingredients to further penetrate into the fish before you add water. You could see that it was as if it was getting burnt. It was then I added the volume of water that I need to cook this. Cover it and allow it to boil before tasting for salt and seasoner, because those were added when you were marinating, and there's no way I could taste it at that fresh stage of it. So after it is well boiled, I tasted for salt and seasoner and it wasn't enough, so I had to add 2 extra seasoning cubes, added some more Ghana pepper and then some Scotch bonnet pepper. Of course, pepper soup that is not peppery, what is that one? Okay, I came in with some grinded crayfish to make it extraordinary taste, guys. And then I tested for salt. Whoa, it was okay, so I covered it and allowed it to boil for another 4 minutes, and I just introduced dried otaza leaf, covered it again, allow it to boil for another 3 minutes, open again, and it is time to introduce scent leaf, basil leaf, like some other people call it. And after this, guys, this is done and dusted. Once you add the scent leaf or your basil leaf, you just have to turn off the flame and it is done. Yeah, this is me dishing out my croaker fish pepper soup, and guys, this tasted so good, and I served it with rice. You can actually serve your pepper soup with agidi or rice, or add yam as you're making it, or unripe plantain, or just enjoy it like that, anyhow you want it. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're super duper welcome. My oldies, thank you for always staying put. Please kindly like, comment and share this video if you love it. I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe and bye bye.